Isifundazwe iGauteng kanye neKwaZulu-Natal yizona ezinesibalo esiphezulu sabantu ababhalisele ukuvota.
Gauteng 6.3 million. KwaZulu-Natal 5.5 million. The Eastern Cape 3.3 million. The Western Cape 3.2 million.
Zikhona izinhlelo ezenziwayo ngabantu abahlala ezindaweni ezikhahlanyezwe izikhukhula ikakhulu KwaZulu-Natal.
There has been some very active cooperation and coordination between the officials from the Commission and the NAT joints, both at national level but also at the provincial and more local level.
Kusenjalo, i-IEC ibinohlelo lokubhalisela ukuvota ejele lase-Sun City eGoli namhlanje. Iziboshwa zithi ukuvota kubalulekile.
When you're doing it, you're not doing it actually for us. We're doing it for the future generations. I mean, we need to leave a legacy, even though we are incarcerated, but then we need to leave a legacy where people can know that what is right, what is wrong. And then we are very fortunate that we are also given opportunity to voice or to voice out our concerns or to voice out our choices in saying who do we want to lead us.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo lithi iziboshwa zinelungelo lokuthi zivote.
They are entitled to vote and that they have their identity documents, that if they don't have them, we have encouraged the families to make sure that they bring those documents over so that they can be registered in terms of the regulations.
Ngempelasonto siya kuyo, abantu ababengakabhaliseli ukuvota bayakhuthazwa ukuba bayobhalisela ukuvota, kanti usuku lokuvota belingakadalulwa.